All right, tracking the tropics this morning. What are those silver linings? One less to worry about.
Like that.
Down to one. Yeah, we were watching, but
but
it does have a high chance to develop. Yes, in the eastern side of the basin, it's this wave we've been watching over the last couple of days, moving away from the Cabo Verde Islands. Now 70% development chance with that, which hasn't changed since yesterday morning. As I dive in, one thing I watch for in these developing storm systems is how the thunderstorm activity is not only organizing, but if it's able to maintain itself for long stretches. This one certainly has. In a developing system, you see the storms hold firm and then sort of set up over what looks to be the center of circulation. Kind of happen in here. I think the center is more here, and this is mainly on the northwest side of it, but this does look to be on the way to becoming a tropical depression, and that's what the Hurricane Center is calling for. Over the next day or two, this is able to develop 70% development chance. A longer range track and the intensity of this looking a little more murky. Most models say this turns to the north before it gets to the Caribbean. Some keep it on a more due westerly track, but those that do keep it on a more due westerly track, it's because it's overcome by wind shear. Right now, the conditions looking okay for it to come together. Anywhere in red is where wind shear is too high for a tropical system to be able to hold itself together. As you go back to Africa, there's this pocket where it is right now where the wind shear is fairly low. But as this works its way westward, particularly by the time it approaches the Caribbean, heads more into the central Atlantic, wind shear is likely to pick up. And I'm sort of seeing the models responding to that here as they come in this morning. Here's the European forecast model, and it's actually been pretty consistent on this idea in that, yes, in the near term, you do see the clear swirling going on, perhaps a depression by tomorrow. But once we get into Thursday evening, it starts to feel that shear, and that circulation has broken down. The European forecast model doesn't develop this system. It keeps it as an open wave, just a cluster of showers that works into the Caribbean. And here's the GFS. Yesterday, this model was showing a hurricane. Now this, too, shows this system being overcome by wind shear. We sort of saw this play out a couple of weeks ago when we had those few disturbances in the eastern Atlantic, right, that had high development chances, and then the shear overwhelmed them. We'll see if this is just a one-off or a trend in the models, and maybe we bring those development chances down going forward. But bottom line, the European favors a weaker system. Yes, this looking at the ensemble. Each line is a different member of that ensemble forecast. You see this due west, that's because the bulk of these do not develop it, keep it weak, and move it into the Caribbean. Meanwhile, you bring the GFS into play here in green. Note they go north, basically. Each one that goes north is a member of that model that does develop the system, and as it does, it sort of plucks it off and pushes that developed system off to the north. So developed system tracks north, a weaker system tracks west. Neither looks to bring any impacts to us locally. We'll be keeping an eye on it, but not something you should be worrying about. When we look, though, going forward, we expect to see activity ramping up because peak hurricane season is ahead of us. So be sure you're keeping one eye on the forecast for the tropics here. We'll, of course, keep you updated at Gulf Coast Weather. Your 7-day forecast locally calls for a stormy setup here along the Gulf Coast. Each afternoon, we're tracking widespread storms today, right on through the weekend into next week. The morning drive looking good with clear and sunny skies. This afternoon, start to see the storms develop right around lunchtime, and then widespread storms for the evening commute. A few will be heavy. This is by the time we get to 3 o'clock. Storms start inland and then spread westward, bringing heavy rain and frequent lightning. That's your Gulf Coast weather, most accurate forecast.
Gulf